Quick video about a Nissan Dispatch. Seen a lot of videos where people are cutting this all up to get the cabin filters out, and there's absolutely no need. I've just noticed if you pop this little piece out here, it's just the leg blowers off the fan, and then you've got all this room to get your hand up there to where the cabin filters go, just in there, and it just pulls straight out. You just pull this one out first, and then there's one that's just underneath it, lifts up. This is from a 50,000 mile van, and it's absolutely filthy. So we've got some nice new ones here. They even come with a little thing that you can put the date and stuff on. It's quite cool. So I'm gonna look at this. So the airflow goes that way. So we'll try and do this on camera. I mean, let's post it through there first. Do we reckon? Maybe not. Maybe not that way. Yeah, there we are. It's a bit of wiggling and bending. Oh, there we go. We're going. Just a little push. God, it's like giving birth. I think that's right. They're not a different size, are they? No. Hello, Pop. Round two. So I kind of went up like that, and then like this, and then wiggle it around. Just a little bend and a little push. Go. And then just pop those little tabs in there. And that's it. It's just a little plastic cover somewhere in here with all this shit. And this little black cover goes in there like that. That just clicks in place.